So, had to change my standard engine driven power steering pump for an electrical version for this conversion. So chose this Volvo electrical pump because there's lots of information out there on the internet, among other things. Says connect the power and connect the enable signal. It will run in fallback mode, no problems, easy. So I did this and absolutely nothing. So I thought, 40 pump. Trouble is, I bought it 6 months ago. No one was ever going to take it back, so I wouldn't expect them to be honest. So I thought, I'll buy another pump. So I bought another pump, arrived today, and guess what? Exactly the same fault. So I looked on the internet again, absolutely nothing. Absolutely zero information out there about any of these problems. Everything says this is what happens. You just connect the power, connect this enable line, and away it goes in fallback mode, runs at 70%. So obviously that's not the case. So the other two connections that weren't used on the pump were CAN bus. There's some information out there on the identifiers to use and what data to send to it, but it's very confusing and lots of different versions of it. So I thought, well, I've got to give it a go. I've got nothing to lose now. So I've spent the morning sending signals into this CAN bus and eventually managed to get it to work. So now I've got a working pump, and I've also got control over the pump speed, which was the ultimate goal, because you don't want it running full out all the time. High speed, the pump only needs to tick over. You don't need all that power assistance, and it saves on your battery as well, obviously. The thing is, I've now got another pump which is perfectly good and of no use to me whatsoever, so I think I'll probably build a controller for that and sell it as a complete unit to save someone else the grief. So here we go. Hopefully fantastic. Such a pleasant noise.